So we're going to be using the AC Delco GM part. So the part number is 127-37252. So looking at the new part, it's orientated like this. So we'll flick up the electrical connection first. You pull up on the tab, it'll come off. When you push up on the EVAP line, you'll be able to pop it off here. So we now just need to get to this 10 mil bolt. Once that's out and removed, we can pop this out. It's just going to be held in by some compression in the rubber seal here. So we'll throw a little bit of grease on the seal when we go to reinstall it. So one